Jai Sri Ram, Jai Jai Sri Ram. Hello everyone, my name is Gyanendra, I am biology educator in India. In this video, we will discuss accommodation. Okay, I mean adjustment of lens for visualization. Okay, right. Before going to adjustment of lens for the visualization, let's see how our lens are. Our lens are they are soft, transparent, proteinaceous, elastic and biconcave structure. Okay, both end of the lens they are attached with the ligament. That ligament is called jonula ligament, or we are also calling it suspensory ligament. Fine, we are calling it jonula ligament, or we are calling it suspensory ligament. Then next to that we have one smooth muscle. That smooth muscle is called ciliary body. Okay, so actually contraction and relaxation of this smooth muscle only, yeah, this contraction and relaxation of the smooth muscle only by the help of this ciliary muscle, which is modify choroid layer. Okay, so this our ciliary muscles are they are modified choroid layer, and they actually attach with lens by jonula ligament, or we are also calling suspensory ligament, and this ligament only control the thickness of the lens. Fine, like whenever this our ciliary muscle, whenever our ciliary muscle contract, yes, whenever our ciliary muscle contract, suspensory ligament relaxes. Okay, suspensory ligament relaxes, and when suspensory ligament relaxes the stretching on the lens it decreases, and when stretching of the lens decreases it become more globular. Yeah, it become more globular. Fine, yes, it's become more globular. Okay, then if our ciliary muscle will relax, now I am taking another situation when ciliary muscle not contract, it relaxes. Okay, then this suspensory ligament contract, suspensory ligament contraction, and this contraction it will stretch the lens more, and when it will stretch the lens more the lens will more flat, it will more thin. It is required for making it more globular, for making it thin. It's very important for visualization. Whenever we are observing any object and that object is near, students, okay, the object is near, I am taking one situation when object is near, like you are watching your phone in night very near to your eyes, or you are watching newspaper, you are reading newspaper. In that condition you keep it very near. Okay, and when object is near so light will come into the diverging form here. Okay, when the light will come in diverging form and lens will more flat, lens will thin, so image will form behind the retina. The light will actually, they will converge behind the retina. Suppose this is the retina, so they will converge light behind the retina, not on the retina, so you cannot see. So when the object is near, we have to increase the thickness of the lens, and we have to increase the thickness of the lens when we have to make it more globular. For that, suspensory ligament have to relax and our ciliary muscle have to contract. Fine or not? Okay, now next situation, you see when the object is far. When object is far the light it will be in the converging, and when light is converging it should not be very thick, it should not be globular, it should be thin. Fine or not? So for that, what will happen immediately, this suspensory ligament it will relax. When suspensory ligament will relax when ciliary muscle will relax, when ciliary muscle will relax, suspensory ligament will contract, and when suspensory ligament will contract, they will stretch the lens in both direction, it will become thin. Okay, and when lens will become thin, they will focus the light on the retina of the eye. So this is how we can see it. Okay, so this is accommodation of the lens. Remaining we'll see in next video. Bye.